Today on How It's Made. Frozen fruit. Nowadays, you don't have to wait for your favorite fruit to be in season. You can buy it year-round in the freezer section of your local supermarket. Frozen fruit is useful to have on hand for baking, for making fruit salads or smoothies, to use as a topping, or to eat as a healthy snack. Timing is everything. For example, strawberries when sold fresh are picked well before they're ripe, so they won't spoil before reaching store shelves as much as a week later. But if the berries are for the freezer section, they're harvested when fully ripe. That state of perfection will be frozen in time within 36 hours. Farm workers pick the berries by hand and trim them right in the field with one swipe over a sharp stainless steel blade. Within 90 minutes of harvesting, the strawberries are on their way by refrigerated truck to the nearby processing plant for cleaning, sorting, and quick freezing. First stop on the processing line, a bath in fresh water to remove field dirt. This wheel gently submerges every last strawberry. Then a shower of clean rinse water, followed by a spray rinse with highly chlorinated water to sanitize the berries. Next, eagle-eyed workers pick out and discard any bruised or underripe berries. The rest receive a final rinse en route to the freezing tunnel. Temperature, -34 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooling coils contain liquid ammonia, a refrigerant commonly used for industrial-scale freezing. Inside the tunnel, where the frigid air circulates at high speed, the berries freeze in about 20 minutes. Upon exiting, they ride through a sorting machine. The smaller berries drop through narrower gaps between the rollers near the top. The medium-sized ones through wider gaps partway down, while the larger ones continue to the bottom. These peaches, also hand-picked when ripe, go through the same cleaning process as the strawberries. First a bath, then a shower, then a sanitizing rinse with chlorinated water. After workers pick out leaves, twigs, and any less than perfect fruit, a sorting machine sorts the peaches by size, small, medium, and large, sending each size to a separate conveyor belt. Each belt leads to a different line of stainless steel pitting machines, adjusted for the size of the incoming fruit. First, the machine places the peach's stem down. Next, a knife cuts the peach in half along its natural line. Then, mechanical jaws grab the stone inside and dislodge it by twisting the two halves of the peach in opposite directions. Each machine can pit 90 peaches per minute, so the only way to see that action is in slow motion. All the peach halves and stones coming out of the pitters tumble onto a vibrating conveyor. The stones fall through the holes while the peaches, larger than the holes, continue on. A conveyor flips them cut side up so that workers can inspect and remove any stone fragments. The next conveyor gradually lines them up in single file to enter the slicing machines. The slicer blades cut each half into 4 to 6 pieces, depending on what format the customer ordered. Then the slices go into the freezing tunnel. Peach slices take slightly longer than strawberries to freeze, about 25 minutes. To prevent the